the war of little things. It's not the big things that break us, it's the little ones. The traffic that won't move, the tone in that email, the delay in response, the mess someone else left for you to clean up, and one by one, they chip away at you, not because they're catastrophic, but because they're constant. You don't explode right away, you just wear down, you lose your edge, your clarity, your calm. But here's the truth the Stoics lived by. If you are disturbed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it. Marcus Aurelius. That means your peace isn't lost to events. It's surrendered in perception. So what do? You reclaim it, not by controlling the world, but by mastering your interpretation of it. In Part 2, we'll dive into why daily frustrations hit so hard and the inner story behind your emotional leaks. Why the small stuff hits so hard. You're not weak, you're just overstimulated. We live in a world of noise, notifications, demands, expectations, delays. Everyone wants your attention. Everything is urgent. And the result? Your nervous system never resets. Every little thing stacks, not just on your to-do list, but on your emotional bandwidth. You start to treat inconvenience like betrayal. Impatience becomes a habit. And now, frustration is your default. But the Stoics saw this coming. They didn't wait until they were triggered to train themselves. They prepared. They preloaded calm into their system. On purpose. Seneca said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." Most of your frustration isn't about what's happening. It's about what you think it means. They don't respect me. My time isn't valued. Why is it always me? But those meanings aren't truth. They're ego projections. And if you learn to shift the meaning, you shift your peace. In Part 3, we get practical. How to spot frustration in real time and diffuse it before it escalates. Diffusing frustration in real time. It starts as a flicker, a tension in your shoulders, a quick exhale through your nose, a slight clench of the jaw. That's the moment, right there, before it grows. You can catch it, you can lead it, you can shift it. Here's how. Step 1, label it. This is frustration, not fact. This separates you from the emotion. You're not drowning, you're observing. Step 2, find the story. What am I believing right now? What meaning have I added to this moment? Step 3, replace it with truth. This is temporary. I can handle this. This is practice, not punishment. Every time you run this protocol, you teach your nervous system a new path. You're not reacting, you're retraining. The Stoic doesn't expect the world to serve their mood. They train their mood to serve the world. In Part 4, we build your daily practice for restoring peace, so frustration doesn't even get a foothold. The daily practice of inner peace. Peace isn't something you find, it's something you build. One practice at a time. Here's how. 1. Morning stillness, 5 minutes. Sit in silence. Breathe. Ask, what kind of energy do I want to bring today? 2. Midday reset, 2 minutes. Stand up. Breathe deeply. Repeat. Nothing outside me controls me. 3. Evening review, 3 minutes. Write, where did I keep my calm today? And where did I lose it? No shame, just awareness. This trains your inner observer. It strengthens your pause. And soon, things that used to derail your whole day won't even move the needle. This isn't magic, it's maintenance. And now, in Part 5, we test it with the Frustration Recovery Challenge. For the next 3 days, when you feel frustration rising, 1. Say, this is a drill. 2. Breathe in 4, Hold 2. Exhale. 6. 3. Replace the story. I am not being attacked. I am being trained. Then write this sentence. I return to peace faster than before. That's the whole game, not perfection, recovery. How quickly can you come back to yourself? That's what builds power. That's what builds trust. That's what builds presence. Call to action. Drop one word in the comments. Reclaimed. Subscribe if you're training not just to feel better, but to live freer. You become the calm. There's a point where the world doesn't get easier, but you get steadier. Frustrations still come. People still disappoint. Life still pushes, but you don't react the same. You pause, you breathe, you choose, and one day you realize the same delay, the same insult, the same noise just bounces off you. Not because you're numb, because you're trained. You don't fight for peace anymore. You embody it. You become the one people look to when things go wrong, because your presence is unshakable. That's Stoicism, not cold, not passive, but deeply powerful, and that's what you've built. Peace isn't out there, it's right here, within you, owned, trained, reclaimed.